wave.
Michaela can wave her arms.
And Lauren can wave her arms.
Baby. Can you wave your arms? Let's play some more games.
Look at the word hi. Now see if you can find the word hi.
Hi.
Which word says hi? Elephant. Hi.
Now look at the word wave.
Now look for the word wave. Wave.
Clap.
Where is the word baby?
Baby.
Which word says mouth? Mouth.
Mouth. Baby.
What is this?
This is the little dog.
Now look at the word dog.